Bronzepony wrap-up for November 2025, and I'm just making it by the skin of my teeth. So here we had the fire wrap-up. So we're kind of into the fire and ice theme lately. So we're going to do a fire wrap-up, and then we'll do an ice wrap-up next month, because it'll be December and icy and cold and, and all that. So here's everything. We have a lot to get to. So for those of you who are not familiar with the wrap-ups, it's where I pull together some pieces that we've made, over the past year, months, several years ago. So I've just kind of pull things out that I think would look pretty together, things that maybe if you're new, you haven't seen yet, or if you've been around with me for a long time, you've you haven't looked at them in a while. So here we go. This is what we have. So let's get started with the wrap up. All the pieces that I show you, I link the tutorial to in the description box below the video. So on the screen, there'll be a number and the name of the piece. And in the description box, that number and the name of the piece will be there. So if you want the tutorial, all you have to do is click it and it'll take you right there. First up, we have the fire and ice earrings. So here I'm putting this in, of course, with the fire, because it's this gorgeous, gorgeous fiery color. But if in case you're looking for the ice earrings as well, I have a video for both of these, and this pendant is coming up very soon. I have the saffron earrings, and this is using that really pretty Navette stone, and I love the color combo here. Okay, next up we have the Crystal Autumn Moon double bracelet, and I think this falls under the fire category, because look at those gorgeous bicones and that such a warm gold. Okay, next up we have the Winter Solstice ornament cover, and I had to put this in because it's red, and excuse the threads. I have been making this one for a family member for the holidays. So if you haven't seen the ornament kit, take a look. Of course, the link will be down below, and take advantage of Eureka Crystal Beads sales right now. I think, I don't know if they're still going up, but check them out. They have such great discounts. Okay, next up, we have the Mini Autumn Star Pendant, and this one is using those gorgeous pearls, and look at that really pretty chaton in the middle. And I love the gold pearls all the way around. Okay, next up, we have the Setting Sun wrap or pendant, and I have it off the wrap at the moment, but the tutorial shows you how to make a wrap bracelet out of it. This would make just a gorgeous pendant as well. We have the stained glass earrings, and these use those really pretty wide duos, and they're kind of in the light, you can kind of see through them a bit, and they look like little stained glass windows. And you could do this as a pendant as well, or what about putting them together? I never thought of that in making a bracelet. That would be cool as well. Okay, next up we have the Aria pendant, and there are earrings and a bracelet as well. So if you want a statement piece, I'm not even finished with the chain on this one, but if you want a statement piece, here you go. This would make a gorgeous pin as well. Okay, here's sort of a blast from the past. We have the Dynasty bracelet, and that's made with all these pearls and this really pretty fire polish beads, and we have the Dynasty pearl ring to go with. Okay, next up we have the Triangle Dangle earrings, and these are just a little peyote earring. Actually, we made a pendant like so then we just sort of cut it in half and made earrings out of it. Next up we have the Calliope earrings and the Calliope pendant, and this is just such a simple peyote bezel, but I think it really makes a statement. I love the earrings. They're just miniature size pendants, and I love it on this velvet ribbon, or you can put this on a chain. I did have a 2-bead sort of spiral chain that I use a lot for displaying, and I can't find it, so but maybe I'll put the link in the description box as well. So here you go. This is a really simple but very pretty little set. Next up we have the Crystal Starlight brooch, and I just love the simplicity of this. This could be a pendant as well, and here's where you put the pin back on like so. And here's a cornucopia necklace, and this is an oldie, and I thought, what about attaching this brooch to this necklace? I think that would be really, really okay. Pretty. I popped the brooch on here just temporarily, just to give you a look at how pretty those look together. And then here's the Empress pendant necklace, and this we made a while ago, and look at that Look at the depth of that stone. Isn't that pretty? And that bezel, really loved it with the drops. Okay, last but not least, we have the bezeled quatrefoil or counterfoil, however you want to pronounce it, earrings. Aren't these pretty? I love that bezel. And we have the pearls that we bezeled as well with a little peyote bezel right there. Hey, here you go. Here's your Bronzepony wrap-up for November 2025. And I just love, I mean, I was surprised that I had so many pieces that were fiery. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be listed, you know, all of the tutorials to each piece will be listed in the description box below the video. I hope you make some, post them on Facebook. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.